members of Senek Seva Samiti. I'm Akhil Sharma and I'm here on behalf of Kenko Health. So going forward, Kenko will be providing OPD coverage to all the esteemed members of Senek Seva Samiti. So this training session is regarding the Kenko offering, what we are offering right now, and what type of coverage you guys will be getting going forward. And before starting this meeting, I would like to thank you for participating in this and to choose Kenko as your OPD partner. And so I'll give a brief introduction about Kenko first. So we started 2 years back with the vision of building a robust healthcare system in which we don't have to go anywhere else apart from using one single app, whether it is for IPD, OPD, and you can use for both of the purposes. So we have come so far and we are covering almost 70-80,000 employees across all the sectors in India right now, and the product is so unique that you won't be finding very much competitor in the same category. So what I'll do, I'll present my screen and explain the product to you and what type of coverage you'll be getting and what type of discounts and services you'll be getting going forward with Kenko the next one year.
Akhil, we are only taking the OPD plan from you.
Yes, sir.
So please
Yes,
stick
sir.
to that.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Thank you.
100%. Yeah. So sir, my screen is visible, right?
Not yet.
Just a second, sir. Screen sharing.
Screen is visible.
Visible, right, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
The screen is visible, but the presentation is not.
Yeah. I'm starting with it, sir.
Yeah.
We can see some email or something.
Yeah. So, yeah.
You can maximize the screen, Akhil.
Yes, sir.
It will be easier for everybody to view. Yeah, that's perfect.
So the plan name is SSS Wellness and OPD Plan Subscription. SSS stands for Senek Seva Samiti. And what type of offering Senek Seva Samiti will be getting going forward? So OPD medicines and diagnostic that we'll be covering for you. एंड इसमें आपको काफी तरीके से बेनिफिट आपको मिलेंगे. क्लेम प्रोसेस जो है वो भी इस प्रेजेंटेशन में आई विल बी एक्सप्लेनिंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू. इसमें सर जो कवरेज है आपकी दैट इज 75% फॉर ओपीडी. एंड ओपीडी इस चीज से क्या अंडरस्टैंडिंग बेसिक एक मिलती है, जस्ट इन केस इफ यू आर प्लानिंग फॉर अ डॉक्टर कंसल्टेशन और अ डॉक्टर प्रिस्क्राइब्ड यू अ सर्टेन टेस्ट फॉर योर I mean, if he prescribed certain tests to you, you'll be getting discount on that, or with the doctor consultation or with the medicines. So this is what we mean by OPD benefit. So here we can see the doctor consultation, and doctor consultation will be as per the OPD benefit, which is 75%. And this 75% you'll be getting within the Kenko network. So for that, you have to use app going forward. In case of diagnostic, medicines, and doctor consultation, you all have to use our app, and for which I'll be sharing some screenshot of the app. I'll take you through it, and you can understand how the app interface is very easy, so you won't be facing any challenge going forward with that. And these all things will be on reimbursement basis. So just in case if the doctor's consultation charge is 1,000 rupees and you'll be getting 75% discount over that, so you just have to pay 250 rupees only, and 75% discount will be applied on the final amount. And same goes with the diagnostic test. So there are some criteria to use diagnostic test and medicine. You can buy medicines. You just have to upload your prescription to the app, in which every medicine and test should be prescribed clearly, so that we can benefit according to that. And again, for doctor consultation also, you have to book through our app. And medicine expenses, again, we have tied up with some of the major partners in this particular category, medicine expenses. 1 mg you must have heard of. So we have tied up with 1 mg, where most of the medicines will be available on our network. There are some exceptions, and that will be entertained in that case if the medicines is not available on the network. I'll explain that process going forward in this presentation. Mental health treatments it is not covered in this coverage, and dental treatments are also not covered. Customer support, there are dedicated helpline which is available for 24/7, and one is available on office hours. And the members allowed in the family, as you all must be aware that people took multiple subscription for their family, right, for their spouse, for their children, for members. So that depends on your policy. So what type of OPD benefit you'll be getting, how you can claim it, and how you'll be getting it. So सारे जो भी benefit हैं इस plan के आपको instantly मिलेंगे at the time of booking. आपको कुछ बाद में reimburse करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You just have to use our app. आप जितना ऐप यूज करेंगे उतना चीजें आपके लिए आसान रहेंगी, उतना आपको सारी चीजों से मतलब बाद में रिइंबर्समेंट बिल आपको शेयर करना, दीज ऑल प्रोसेस विल बी एलिमिनेटेड. You just have to go to our app, book a consultation, select a date, select a time, and that's it. On the time of payment, 75% discount will be applied. And partner network जो है हमारा, right now for doctor consultation we have tied up with Practo, and there are also multiple vendors for doctor consultation. For medicines, as I told you, we have partnered up with 1mg, and for diagnostic we have some partners on our onboarded as well. And अपन going forward इस चीज को कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं, we can use it by two method. And why I'm suggesting two methods, because we are still in the phase of launching iOS app. So that is one of the challenge. And I actually received some of the call from Sainik Seva Samiti members, right? So how they can book doctor consultation if they are using iOS app as of now. So we have guided them with that until till the time iOS app is not launched, and most probably it will be launched this last week of March. So after that, you don't need to call us for doctor consultation, for test, or for medicines. You can just book directly through the app. So there are no terms and condition, exclusion or sublimit. आपको कोई भी ऐसा medicines का exclusion या exception नहीं है जो हमारे network पे available हो. Whatever the medicines is prescribed on the doctor's prescription will be reimbursing accordingly. So there's no issue for it. कौन सी medicine है, you don't have to worry about it. Just a second, sir. Yeah. So जो ऐप है इसका एक्सेस, इट्स नॉट some general app that is available on iOS store or on Google Play Store. ये सिर्फ जो members होंगे उन्हीं को इस चीज का एक्सेस होगा. If you bought our product or certain plan from Kenko's retail route or through B2B route, then only you can access the app. Otherwise, you won't be able to log in the app, because everything is managed through back end and front end. So Kenko का app जो है, that is very exclusive, that is only for members. For medicine order, test and special treatment, you can also manage it over a app. As I told you, the reimbursement process will be very smooth. You don't have to keep your bills with you for 10-20 days to send them over the mail, and then it will take 2 to 3 days to reimbursement. That is that this is not the case with Kenko. Everything, each and everything will be reimbursed instantly. And there's emergency contact feature also. So basically OPD plan is most of the time for doctor consultation and everything, but it also do covers in emergency cases, just in case आपको कुछ इमरजेंसी है, एंड जो आपका नियरेस्ट डॉक्टर है या टेस्ट सेंटर है और या मेडिसिन है, दैट इज नॉट ऑन द नेटवर्क ऑफ कैंको. In that case of exception, we'll surely help you out with this. यदि कोई डॉक्टर अवेलेबल नहीं हो, you just have to again जो एक ट्रेडिशनल जो रूट होता है रिइंबर्समेंट का इंश्योरेंस में, वो आपको वो वाला लेना पड़ेगा. आपको बिल्स देने पड़ेंगे, आपको मशीन जनरेटेड, उसके अकॉर्डिंगली हम उसको रिइंबर्स कर देंगे इन केस ऑफ इमरजेंसी और एक्सेप्शंस. बाकी ये ट्रेडिशनली वी विल रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल कि आप ऐप से ही सारी चीजें एक्सेस करें, जिससे कि सारी की सारी प्रोसेस जो है उसमें आपका भी टाइम वेस्ट ना हो और हमारे साइड से भी चीजें रिइंबर्स जल्दी हो पाए. सो एक जो कस्टमर सेटिस्फेक्शन लेवल है वो एक मेंटेन करके चल सके हम. और आपको यदि just in case if you want to use these services, I'll be giving you two numbers. One is available 24/7 and another one is toll free number. आप उन पे कॉल करके आप डायरेक्ट कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं and they'll surely help you out with this. So this is the app interface, how it looks like. This is the login page. Suppose if you buy a retail plan of Kenko, you have to give inputs for your email or for your mobile number, and then you can log in into the app. Here you can see the active plans. Suppose the name of your plan is SSS Wellness and OPD plan subscription. So it will be reflected here once you log in into the app. There are certain features like doctor consultation, medicines or test. You can choose it from here. If you want to go for a doctor consultation for medicine or for diagnostic test, you can choose it over here. This is what profile looks like. The data which you have provided previously to us for your app and to maintain your data, we have uploaded that to our backend. It will be reflected once you log in into the system. You can go to your profile. If you have added your spouse as well, it will be reflected here, and the relationship status will be reflected there also. So if you want to book a doctor consultation, you can tap that doctor consultation on the bottom right corner, doctor consultation. After that, it will ask the consultation board. Since last 2 year we have saw COVID, two waves of COVID. So there's another type of consultation now. There's telephonic and video. So this is also available on our app. Just in case if you don't want to if the doctor's residence or their clinic is far away from your home, so you can also book a video, telephonic, or physical visit. You just have to provide the time and the date for this. And you should give input about the telephonic, video, physical visit, and then it will you can book the appointment accordingly. And as per the consultation charges, OPD benefit, it will get reimbursed instantly. So just in case, as I told you earlier also, that if just in case if the consultation charge is 1,000 rupees, so you just have to pay 250 rupees, 75% discount you'll be getting instantly. In case of medicine, you have to upload your prescription. Then you have to add medicine one by one, जिससे कि आपका जो भी आपको क्वांटिटी चाहिए हो वो आप सारा यहाँ से कर सकते हैं. एंड ऐड ऑर्डर में जाके आप यहाँ पे there's option for pickup also or for delivery also. If you want to get it picked up by yourself, you can go to the nearest store and get it picked up. And delivery के लिए it will get delivered to you within 3 to 4 hours, 3 to 4 working hours. And apart from that, there's option for diagnostic also. Just again, we'll be needing prescription for medicine and diagnostic. So you just have to upload the doctor's prescription here, and you can again book the booking for your diagnostic through this app. And in case of medicine is not available on the platform of Kenko, in that case you can get that medicine from your nearest medical store. You can get the printed machine generated bill, and you can contact the numbers which I'll be providing you, and the email ID. You can send these prescription and everything on that email ID, and they'll reimburse according to your plan. Here you can check the order history, just in case if you have booked consultation, medicine, or diagnostic test. Here you can check what benefits did you receive on that particular order. Again, for order details, if you tap on that order, you can see the order date, appointment date, and the type of benefit, whether it is hospital doctor consultation or medicine or diagnostic test. You can check it over here. Again, there's a option for emergency contact. As I told you, there's just in case if there's a mishap took place, so you can just go through emergency support and they'll help you out in that case. Here you can find your profile and visit our website. Just in case if you are interested, several other product of ours, you can directly visit the website. And these are some of the traditional options that you'll be getting with each and every app, terms and condition, privacy policy. this is the these are the two numbers which are available, and non-office hour contacts के लिए the number which is on the bottom 9113839585. I'll share this maybe आप मतलब आप लोग ये नंबर नोट डाउन कर सकते हो फ्यूचर रेफरेंस के लिए, जस्ट इन केस इफ यू नीड एनी हेल्प आप इन नंबर पे कॉल करिए. वी आर कमिटेड टू हेल्प यू आउट in each and every case, whether it is office hour or non-office hour, आपको help मिलेगी इस नंबर पे.
I think बबली के पास ही आया है.
Hello. Hello.
I've raised my hand. Can I ask questions?
Sure, 100%.
Okay. My question number one is your first or second or third slide. You say it is applicable only for doctors on your scheme.
On a network.
On
Yeah.
your network. Now,
Yeah.
The issue is, see, we are 70, 72 years old, and we have a fixed doctor. Now, this was been looking after me for the last 10 to 15 years. This I'm talking in the civil street, not ECHS. I am not talking about ECHS. The civil street whom we go to. Now, what about that? You mean to say that is not covered? How do we get that thing? And these doctors they don't want to come into any scheme. If I tell him, join this or please join that, so
Akhil, I'll take up this question. Akhil, hold on.
Yes, sir. Please.
Yeah. Mr. Suhas, this is Burgess Mukherjee from KMD.
Yeah.
So the answer to your question is, when we had put up the presentation initially, we have mentioned this very clearly that here we will be taking only doctors who are empaneled with us. Number two, in case your doctor is not empaneled, we are giving him that option to either come to the panel by putting up the request. You can put up the request to Kenko, or you can send me the request. We will approach your doctor and we will request him to come. But in case if he doesn't want to come on the panel, there is no other way we can get him on the panel, doctor, sir.
But if I remember reading, it was said that those doctors who are not on the panel, it will be on reimbursement basis. We make the claim, and then this was
that was only for the initial time, when till the time we get him on the panel. But if he refuses to come on the panel, we cannot accommodate that system on a regular basis, sir.
Okay.
We will definitely help you to get him empaneled, and we are most happy to empanel that doctor. But in case he says that he is not comfortable with it, then there is no way we can reimburse it on a regular basis.
Okay.
Kenko doesn't have a reimbursement system. It is only because of my request to them that they have initiated this, so that they can accommodate all your requests. But if it is going to happen on a regular basis, that will not be accommodated, sir.
Okay, I've understood. Thank you very much. Second is that app which he was saying, which is that app? If we can explain. I've gone to that Google thing, and there are a lot of Kenko's things. So which in that, which to be downloaded, and how?
I'll share. Yeah, I'll share the link, with Mr. Mukherjee, and they'll circulate it over, your group, WhatsApp group, or you must be having something like that. So I will share the link with all of you, sir, and I will also share these customer service numbers. If you want, we can draft it in one email and send it to all the members. Sudhir sir, are you there?
Hello.
I'm there.
Sir? Yeah. So what we will do is we'll draft a mail which gives them the customer service numbers, the link for the app, and all these details, and then it can be sent to all the members. Will that be convenient for all the members?
Okay.
Yeah, I guess so.
Or we can also do the same thing on WhatsApp if you want.
That's more than enough. Then we can.
I would suggest that you put a screenshot of that app so people know what it looks like.
Can you do that, Akhil? Is it
Yeah,
possible?
sure. Actually, sir, what I'll do, this presentation which I've been presenting right now, I can share it with you. Okay, so there are there's all the information. There's number. There's type of coverage you will be getting. If everything is included in this slide, so you can again circulate it in your group, or I can directly mail it to you. Sir.
No, that's okay. But which app? Abhi, I have just opened Google Play, and there are.
Got it, sir.
a lot of Kenko. One is Kenko all-in-one health plans. One minute, just let me see. I just read
What
out-
I'll do, sir, I'll draft a mail. इसमें सारे emergency contact number and app
just
का
1
link.
minute.
Yeah.
Sorry. Yeah, hi everyone. My name is Adesh. I am also from Kenko. So rightly you said, sir, you can download the app with the name Kenko All-in-One Health Plans.
Okay. Because there's another one which is a Kenko Health, and third is Kenko. So there are 3 apps which Google Play shows. So it's understood. If you tell everyone Kenko all-in-one health plans to be downloaded, we understand. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Another thing is, I am installing it. Now, how do we register? Do you have our number, or how do we do the SSID?
Yes, sir. So we can try right away. If you can just put in your number, and if you're receiving the OTP, we can just check right away if you are able to see your details and plan.
Okay, it is
benefits.
downloading. Let's see. You can, if someone else wants to ask questions, we can go ahead. Then
Yes, sir.
See, I received a message on WhatsApp and I've downloaded that app, and it's got SSS Wellness and OPD plan subscription showing. So I assume that is correct.
Correct, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Hello.
Okay, can I come in?
Sure, sir.
I'm Sanjoy. Can I?
Yes, sir. Yeah, sure, sir.
Okay. I went to Venkateshwar Hospital, Dwarka, in New
Okay.
Delhi. Okay.
Okay.
That particular hospital is not there on your panel.
Okay.
Can you send them a request to be empaneled? I've checked out your full list, and in the New Delhi panel, Venkateshwar Hospital, Sector 18A, Dwarka is not there.
Okay.
So if you can empanel them, I'll be so grateful. Because
So, sir, I'll check.
a lot of people in Dwarka will
Yes, sir.
Sanjay sir, is this for the OPD you're looking out for?
Okay.
Because there is no
Yes.
hospitalization in this plan anyways.
No. I'm not looking for hospitalization. I will go under with Raksha. For OPD plan, I'm talking. For OPD plan,
What Raksha?
Raksha is the triple S.
Raksha is for Mediclaim, sir. I would request you not to confuse because people will get confused with both these things.
Okay,
Right now, let us
okay.
talk only about Kenko and OPD, sir.
Kenko
As of now,
OPD.
how would you need OPD in the hospital? That's what I'm asking.
Yeah,
Borges,
doc-
may I interpret in, see, I would request Akhil, please give us how people can ask their doctors to be empaneled. See,
Okay.
we can work out a list from Triple S and give it to you. So how do you want it? So that you have to define, because everyone will have their own doctors. So you can't approach everyone. So that doctor must agree. So how do you want to do that? What is the process? That is, let's be clear so that members can use them, use the process, go to the doctor, ask him to empanel that way.
Okay.
Akhil, I'll take up this question. Akhil, we
Sure,
had
sir,
discussed this
sure.
last time with Dheeraj. What
May
just give me a minute, sir, please.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So we had discussed this with last time at the presentation, and it was clearly mentioned that all of you all should give us the list of the doctor with his address and his mobile number. Our people from Kenko will approach them, explain the complete process to them, explain how they can get empaneled. Then it is the choice of the doctor whether they want to get empaneled or not. We cannot force anyone, as you would rightly agree with me. So once if the doctor is agreeing, then we will get him empaneled. So there is no need for a hospital to be empaneled as such, because here anyways it's only the doctor that is going to be empaneled.
No, if I may. Venkateshwar offers OPD for different ailments. Okay. So particular doctor need not be empaneled. If the hospital is empaneled, I can go to any of the doctors. Let's say I've got a urology problem. Now urology has got about 5 or 6 doctors. I can go to any of the doctors, not a problem. So long as the hospital is there on your plan, then the entire game plan would work out fine. Would that be okay?
Will that work? I don't know. I'm not sure about this because last time we had specifically mentioned only about doctors. Give us your opinion.
No. Insofar
No, Akhil, I'm talking to you.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir, I couldn't get the question.
What he
Okay,
is saying is that we need to empanel the hospital. The hospital has various doctors for various OPD programs. And then they can choose based on that, and the hospital will get the reimbursement. Will that work with the Kenko
Sir, I
plans?
need to check for this, sir, because I have never had such query from a member. So I need to check this with the team first, and I'll let you know, sir.
So Sanjay sir, we will get back to you if you don't mind, please. You can send Sudhir sir, or you can send me an email, keeping
Okay.
Sudhir sir and CC.
Burgess,
And we will reply to that.
Burgess, I request, please don't take emails to your account. People will send to KM Dastur and then there will be
Oh.
problems.
Okay, okay. Then you can send it to Sudhir sir, and then we will take it up there.
Okay, fine.
Burgess, what I would request is a format from Akhil or Kenko, how they want to proceed, so that I share that format with the members and people put their request on a particular format. Otherwise, it will be impossible to deal with it. If you want, I will create a format and give it to everyone. People, all the members can give it to Triple S, and we will integrate and give it to you.
Noted, sir. Akhil, I hope you've noted.
Yeah, sure.
Just send it to me and we'll take it up accordingly.
Sure, 100%.
Yeah, fair enough, sir. Thank
And
you.
my request to all members, please do not address any email to KM Dastur,
Yeah.
to their helpline or to Burgess on his KM Dastur ID, because KM Dastur has got no relationship with this program.
Check.
Yeah, please don't embarrass Triple S by doing that.
Hello, can I come in, please?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, you don't have app for iOS as yet for the iPhone?
Sir, we'll be launching the app in 2 weeks maximum. And by till the time आप direct contact number जो emergency के numbers हैं we have provided, आप उन पे contact कर सकते हैं just in case if you need any help.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Can I ask? I have 2 questions.
Please, Rui.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, so I have 2 queries. I had already installed the app about when I got the email, the WhatsApp with the details. So I had done that. So number one, my daughter's details were not added. And I have been following up with the customer care since then, and they've said it will happen. And they're saying it's showing in our database, but it is not getting reflected on the app. So is there any escalation metric? Because they said it will be done in 24 hours and they said 48 hours. So I'm not sure.
No, ma'am, actually, actually, मैं ही मतलब वो चीज हैंडल कर रहा था, आपकी क्वेरी मेरे पास ही आई थी. आप एक बार ना ऐप को लॉग आउट करके लॉग इन करके ट्राई करिए करने का. आई थिंक धनलक्ष्मी वाज इन कांटेक्ट विद यू, राइट? यस. हाँ, वो मेरे पास वो मैंने रिजॉल्व करा दिया था. मैंने मतलब आई कम्युनिकेटेड दिस टू हर एज वेल कि आप एक बार लॉग आउट करके लॉग इन का रिकमेंड करिए मैम को. डेफिनेटली इट विल वर्क.
Okay, I'll check that. Thank you. That is first question. Second question is that I had applied for I had placed an order on the 15th for an appointment with a doctor in a hospital. So I have no idea, or how do I check the doctor that is impaneled with you? I just raised, so for example, I chose a gynecologist at a hospital which is only for gynecologists. So it's the Cloud9 hospital, as an example, was already as part of your impaneled hospitals. So I don't know if my specific doctor is there on your panel or not, but irrespective, I got 2 or 3 calls for the order, and the appointment was, I had asked on 17th, and it is today, we are sitting on 18th, and I have written to your customer care also, and I have chats for that, but there was no response. They called, they checked, and they said, we'll get back to you, and the time is up. So if I have to go to a doctor, how many days of lag do I need to plan in advance to plan an appointment?
Actually, this is quite unfortunate by your side. ऐसा होता नहीं है usually.
You can check my app.
I completely understand your point.
So I'm not sure. Either there was no communication whether, sorry ma'am, your doctor is not on the panel, or do you want to change your doctor? Because I have given a respectful, she's the director of the hospital. I have given her details. I have no way of checking whether she's on a panel or not. I can only say that, okay, this hospital is on the network. Yes, it is. So I have chosen a network hospital, which is fine. So then there should have been no query in my case.
Exactly.
So then one, that how do we resolve these issues? Because, and how many days before the appointment do we need to take an appointment so that we definitely get an appointment?
यस मैम, अगेन ऐसा कुछ टाइम फ्रेम नहीं है कि आपको इतने दिन के पहले अपॉइंटमेंट बुक करना पड़ेगा. दैट अगेन डिपेंड्स ऑन द डॉक्टर. सो आप जब ऐप पे जाएंगे, यदि उनका अपॉइंटमेंट बुकिंग स्लॉट जो अवेलेबल होगा, दैट विल बी रिफ्लेक्टेड ऑन ऐप इटसेल्फ. ठीक है. एंड सेकंड थिंग,
But
आपका जो बता रहे हो
but
कि
there is no reflection. I just had to give the time and date, and then I said submit. So the order is showing open,
Okay.
but there was no reflection of any date or anything like that below it. So
Okay.
what is the format we need to write the name, or how does it pick it up that, okay, if I've chosen this, because this says preferred doctor.
Yeah. So Akhil, wait, let me take this question. Hi,
Yeah.
ma'am. My name is Adesh.
Hello.
Yeah, hi. So sorry, like our customer care has not responded. I can see the ticket raised, it's not closed.
Yes.
So it's very unfortunate from our side. Second thing is, any order you are raising, let's say for next 2 weeks till end of March, for doctor consultation, diagnostic, or medicine order, you just have to come on the app, write the doctor name, your preferred doctor name, the appointment time and date. That's it.
Yes,
Right.
I have done that.
Yeah. So you won't be able to see the slot right now, but in 2
Exactly.
weeks,
Okay.
yeah, correct. So in next 2 weeks, we are working on it where you can see the live inventory that we are maintaining, that you can come whether this doctor is available at particular time or not. Also,
Understood.
we are coming up with a feature. Once you will type the name of a doctor, right? That doctor will be available. Right now, you just have to go and let's say write Dr. Akhil. You won't be able to
Correct.
find how many Dr. Akhil exist in India, right? But in next 2 weeks, when you write Dr. Akhil, you will be able to find which Dr. Akhil you are searching for. We are working on Elasticsearch.
Understood. Got it.
Yeah. So right now, just bear with us for 2 weeks, but we will,
Okay.
like, we are working on it. Right now, you just have to come there, write the doctor name and hospital name or address you can write down, and we will take on case-to-case basis, and we will connect with the doctor from our backend operationally and book the appointment on behalf of you.
So I'm very happy that I got 2 or 3 calls. Okay. I'm not saying that your customer care people did not call me. They did call me, and I have confirmed that I need it, and I've confirmed that yes, I need the appointment. But they said, okay, we'll get back to you. But that's it. Then what? Then
Okay.
I don't know what to do. Where am I supposed to go, and when am I supposed to go to the doctor?
Okay, understood, ma'am. This will be taken care of. I'll look into it personally.
Thank you.
Yeah, Akhil, I got a point. I'd like
Yes,
to
sir.
raise a point. My name is Arun Pandit.
Hello, sir. Yes, sir.
Can I speak?
Yeah,
Akhil?
sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Okay, it's like this. I had raised this point once earlier also when this presentation was given. Suppose if someone like me is a cardiologist patient. I am consulting a particular cardiologist over a period of time, last 1 year or so, who's prescribing medicines to me, who has prescribed medicines to me, who checks me up and continues the medicines. Now I wish for reimbursement or put in this in the Kenko plan. I have a member that I want every time I go as a for OPD consultation with him, he's giving me a charge, charging me some money, giving me a bill and all. And he says, continue with the medicine. Then that's the medicine I continue for the next 3 months. So
Okay.
does your plan allow me to put in the consultation charges and reclaim the reimbursement for the cost of medicines?
Yes, sir. In this case, मतलब जो prescription as you told कि cardiologist के पास आप जा रहे हैं and medicines long duration के लिए एक ही रहती है, same रहती है. तो prescription पे यदि वो चीज है, then yeah, surely we'll reimburse in this case also.
But
Can I raise a question, please?
can I just interfere? Burjis just said it. Yes, for a short time it will be allowed, but he has to get onto the Kenko grid. Burjis, you told me just now. He is saying that yes, we can keep doing it. But
No, sir. Just in case if the doctor is available on our network, cardiologist, right?
no, suppose
And
he
he
is
is
not.
prescribed. Yeah.
Suppose he is not. What
Okay.
they are asking, Kan Pandit is asking. Suppose he is not. Suppose that he is not on your in your registered list of doctors. Then what?
Sir, I think मतलब मुझे जितना समझ आ रहा है, there's one challenge that जो doctors हैं आप सभी लोगों के.
Hi. So in this case, we are planning to share a sheet with all of you,
Exactly.
where you can enter your preferred doctor if you are already in consult with some doctors. we will try and bring them on our network. This is what we can do.
Sir, as I told you, sorry, I'm coming once again. Initially, we had requested Kenko, so they had obliged us by allowing this till the doctor can be approached and we can request him to come on the panel. But if in case the doctor refuses to do that, we cannot have this system on a regular basis. It is just as a favor to us that they have done it initially. Not in a normal practice, they do not do it. But if the doctor just refuses to come on the panel, giving a reimbursement facility on a regular basis can lead to a lot of problems in future, which we do not want.
Yeah, the point is that certain medicine has been prescribed to me by the doctor Ashwini, a cardiologist in Ashwini.
Okay.
But Ashwini is 55 kilometers away. I therefore approach a cardiologist who's close to me in the vicinity. He may be empaneled with one of the paneled hospitals of ECHS, but he is close to me, someone I can meet in an emergency and whom I meet regularly, who monitors my health and my progress with all my parameters and prescribes the medicines or changes them as per requirement. Now, this is what my requirement is. I wish that I will put my consultation fees onto the Kenko, and whenever I buy those medicines, which is on a regular basis per every month, I should get reimbursement from Kenko.
The reimbursement on regular basis will not be possible, sir.
Then what's the point of
reimbursement? So that is the point, that you have to pick up everything from the app. Whether you're talking of medicines, whether you're talking of
no,
tests.
I can. There is a particular. I can go on the app and give the prescription and get the medicines from your chemist, because medicines won't change from one shop to the other shop or chemist or something. Yes, I agree. But the prescription will come from this cardiologist, who is my regular cardiologist.
So you request cardiologist to be paneled on with Kenko, sir.
Yeah, but suppose he says, no, I don't want to go on Kenko's panel.
So then that is his problem, sir. How will Kenko help that? You tell me that, sir. If putting yourself
No,
in Kenko's
how
shoes.
can you force me to consult some cardiologist whom you want me to consult?
No, sir, we are not forcing you that way. We are only saying
Then?
there is a list of cardiologists we have. In case you're finding
Yeah,
it difficult to go very
list
far.
of, these cardiologists and all these people are specialists. You know, you consult somebody because you continue to meet him again and again. He keeps on monitoring your health. And over a period of time, he starts reducing your medicines or modifies your medicines and all. It's not a one-time thing. I've got fever, I go there, he gives me medicine. After 10 days, my fever is over. It's not like that. These are long-time medicines and treatments
Arun,
for people of my age.
Arun, you have been going to him regularly. Why don't you get him on the panel?
I will try and get him.
He will listen to you. Why will he not listen to you?
Arun sir, this
will
was very
ask him.
explicitly said when we had launched the program, that this program is meant for people only who are on the panel. So if, I don't know why we are discussing this again and again, because this is very clearly told when the program was launched. If somebody was not comfortable with that, they shouldn't have joined the plan. Because now if asking me a question, how does it help me, will really not help you as such, because this is it's a simple rule of Kenko. We cannot change that just because somebody is not comfortable.
Yeah,
so when
but,
people were joining itself, it was told to them that it is only meant for people who are on the panel, sir. That is my request.
At the time of joining, we had a certain window slot. We paid our funds, monies, and we became a member. The fact is, all this business of getting him on the panel and all is subsequent. And in cases like this, cardiologist, etc., and all, it's not an overnight thing. You go and pick up somebody on the app and say, okay, he's my cardiologist. You first examine what kind of person he is, whether he's okay, and whether you're comfortable with him or not. And only then you pick him up. And if somebody's been treating you over a period of 5 months or 6 months or 1 year, or somebody who knows your history and who's seen your past, and you can't just abandon him and say, I'll take the app and pick up a cardiologist.
Completely agree with you, sir. That is the reason why we are requesting you to help us in telling him to get himself registered over here.
Okay.
So we have given you
I'll
both
do
the
it.
options. It's not that we are telling you that we will not register him or you should go to only our person. We are giving you that option.
I have two queries. This is Colonel Barge from Pune. My first query is on the app, Kenko app, do you have a list of impaneled hospitals?
Empaneled hospitals and doctors.
No, I'm just asking, do you have a list of impaneled hospitals?
Akhil, I would like you to take up this question.
Because
I think the list
Akhil, you are
of
on mute.
hospitals is there on the net.
the lady
Akhil, you're
said
on
that
mute.
there is a list of impaneled hospitals. If there is a list of impaneled hospitals, like let's say Jupiter Hospital is next to me, where I'm staying. So
Okay.
if Jupiter Hospital is impaneled, there are about 40, 50 doctors in there. Can I approach any of them?
Adesh, can you help me with this question?
Yeah,
Yes, yes.
this is one of my doubts.
Yeah, so sir, first we have the list of hospitals, empaneled hospitals,
Okay,
and every day we are adding new hospitals in our database.
no, good enough. I'm
Right.
saying if it is impaneled, can I go to any of the doctors in that impaneled hospital?
So this is a very gray area. I would request everyone to share whatever doctors they are concerning and coordinating in the last 1 year, whatever doctor information you have. One thing we can do from our end, we will try on behalf of all of you to make sure these people gets impaneled with us, because right now you won't be able to see which doctor is in our network. But if you provide us the list, we can check with our database whether these doctors are available or not. But I am sure out of the doctor list that you guys will share with us, more than 60 to 70% doctor will be covered.
Okay.
That's
Okay,
why
can
I'm not
I
very
want to
sure.
add something to what Sudhir Barge has been
then-
asking. I'm Ujjwal Das
Just a minute before you go ahead. My
Yeah.
second query is, like, let's presume my tummy starts paining very severely. Okay. Now, I do not know what the problem is. Is it a medical specialist problem? Is it a surgical specialist problem? Is it a prostate problem? Whom should I approach? Which doctor should I approach? Can someone advise me? If I just mention on the app that this is my problem, which doctor should I approach?
That is difficult, sir. In that case, because there is no in our customer care who is medical expert per se.
Okay, let's presume that my tummy is paining severely, and I choose to go to a medical specialist. Okay, I go consult him, and he says, no, this is not my problem. It is some other problem. Go to this specialist. So will I be reimbursed that consultation fees?
So it's not reimbursement. I think we are using the word reimbursement in a wrong way.
Consultation will be reimbursed.
So it's not about reimbursement. It's about whatever consultation. So if you're going to visit a doctor, right? So you have to raise a request from the app.
Okay.
Whatever the charge of the doctor consultation is, let's say suppose 1,000 rupees.
Okay.
So you just have to pay 250 at that point of time, and 750 will be discounted. So it's not reimbursement per se.
Okay. I've understood. Only 75% will be taken care of, and I'll have to pay 25%.
Correct.
Now that doctor says, no, this is not my case. You have to go to this specialist. So I then go to a second specialist.
Correct. So yes, you can raise a second request on the app that I want to go to this doctor.
Okay, my doubts are clear.
Yes.
Thank you.
May I come in now, please? I'm Ujjwal Das Gupta. I've been waiting for quite some time. Can I please ask a question?
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Okay. See, this leads off from what Colonel Barge has said, and before that, what Sanjay had said. You see, we are patients. Many of us do not have a doctor who's sort of affiliated to us or something. But we may be sick. Tomorrow we may be sick. The idea of all this ECHS is there. We can go to the hospital, RR hospital or something, and get in the queue for OPD on the OPD day. That is not a workable solution. The aim of joining this is that we should be able to get access to a doctor and consult with him as and when we need. Like Sudhir gave a very good example. He has a stomach ache. Whom does he go to? See, all of what I've understood in the last 1 hour of listening to this webcast is that we need to identify doctors. That doctor has to be empaneled, and then we can go to that doctor by coming on the app and raising a thing and doing that. This is not a very workable thing. Can we not empanel a hospital? then all these problems get solved. You see, I do not know who's the doctor close to me. I cannot anticipate. Tomorrow I suddenly break my leg. I don't know any this Haddiwala chap. Whom do I go to? So, but I know that I've got Venkateshwara. I also incidentally stay in Dwarka. I've got Venkateshwara next to me, and I can go to Venkateshwara and say, look, I've broken my leg. So they will do whatever they have to do. And the arrangement should be between you, the organizer, Kenko, and the hospital per se. No, it's I don't know whether this is the right thing that you're asking the patients to start looking for doctors, get them empaneled, and then get reimbursed. This is not
Yes, I agree.
Colonel Ujjwal, I'll answer your question. I think most of you all were not present at the time of the presentation. Unfortunately, that is the reason why all this confusion is being created. It was very explicitly and clearly explained how this process will go. All that you need to do is that if you need to book something and you don't know the doctor, you can call up the Kenko helpline. Helpline will tell you the doctors which are close to you. Anyways, you're saying you will go to the hospital, you don't know who's the doctor who's going to be treating you. You will be letting them decide what they want to select for you. So here we will giving you a list of doctors who are going to be next close to you. You can just select out of them, book an appointment with them through the app. You will just be paying 25% off the amount. And through that, you can go and consult the doctor. As explicitly right now, Adesh and Akhil had mentioned, in case you are not satisfied, in case that doctor cannot treat you, he recommends somebody else. You can always confirm with him that if he's on the app, he will know, because if this doctor was on the app, even the second one he can recommend can be on the app. He can help you with the name of the doctor. You can book a second appointment and go to the second one, in case the first one doesn't solve your problem.
So actually, to add on to your discussion right now, your website gives a link for the network of doctors. But actually, when I click that, it doesn't give the names and the specialization and all those. So if you know, at least the network, the hospital list is there. But network doctors link is there, but the doctors' names are not visible.
Sir, again, one more thing I would like to clear is that the network hospital list is mentioned because Kenko also does IPD, which is supposed to be the GMC policy which we have. They also do that. So the network hospital list is primarily mentioned because of that and not because of OPD. OPD is normally only doctor consultation. IPD is where you need to get hospitalized and get yourself in a hospital for all the treatment in case of hospitalization. So I think people are taking it in the wrong way that the network hospital list is there, but the doctors are not mentioned. Network hospitals is meant for IPD, not for OPD.
Well, may I come in now? I've been waiting for a long time.
Sir, if you all speak one by one, it would be easier because this is creating too much confusion.
Yeah.
Just a minute, Burgess, just a minute. We'll put some order into this. Whoever wants to ask a question, he will raise a hand and I shall call for it, because I can see over here on the participant list, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hands are there. Dasgupta sir, you have asked a question. Could you please remove your hand over there so that it's very clear? Otherwise, now Sunif sir is there. So you're pending, sir. And I see no other hand right now.
R.K. Gupta.
I'll just tell sir who are the hands over here and I will call up by name, sir. So let's not do any cross talks. Otherwise, there'll be chaos. I see Sunim over here. I see R.K. Gupta. I see iPhone. Suhas Thakur. Sir, Thakur sir, you have asked your question. Could you remove your hand, sir?
I want to raise one more question later.
Then wait, sir. Your turn will come, sir. Then Gujarat sir is there. So I will start with the top. That's Sunif. Sunif sir, please. You ask. So you have to unmute yourself. Sunif sir, you are muted.
Sunil sir, you're on mute, sir. We can't hear you what you're saying.
Yeah. Please. Sunil
He's
sir,
again put himself on mute.
Sir, you have to unmute yourself. Sir, you are not audible.
His phone is not working. I think his phone is not working.
So then you will not be able to.
So we can ask Mr. R.K. Gupta to start.
R.K. Gupta.
Yeah. See, my question is that I have a prescription by a doctor who is part of JP Hospital, empaneled by ECHS. He doesn't need me to see him again, but the prescription is valid. Now, can I put up that prescription and ask for those medicines?
Absolutely, yes, you can do that.
I can.
Right. Just Burgess, you had said earlier that the prescription has to be after they get, when the policy starts. So what is the start date for the policy and when should the prescription be?
No.
Old
Sudhir sir,
prescription? Yeah, it's okay.
the prescription has to be valid.
corrected. I can be corrected. Let's correct the whole thing.
Sure.
Yeah, please.
So the prescription has to be valid, sir. That is all that we want, sir.
Okay. So, like, let's say if the prescription from ECHS, where there is no reimbursement to be done because ECHS does not need any reimbursement, will that prescription be valid?
No, sir, I didn't understand this question.
See, members do go to ECHS. They have their doctors over there. Now, if they give a prescription from ECHS, will that be valid for rest of the treatment? That's medicines and
Absolutely, sir. If you remember, there was a member who had sent me the ECHS prescription,
Absolutely.
which I had sent to Dheeraj to get it validated, and he said it will be accepted.
Yes.
So that is already mentioned. If you remember, last time I had confirmed to you by email also.
Yes, you have.
Yes.
Akhil should know it.
That ECHS or ECHS empaneled hospital. That's what I meant.
So that doesn't matter as far as it is for medicines, and it's a valid prescription. For example, your prescription was given in January and says that medicines need to be taken for the next 6 months. That means the prescription is valid, right? So you can put up that prescription and keep your medicines every month from that.
Yeah, thank you.
Barge, again, regarding this prescription.
Just a minute, sir. I'll ask the question. Sir, I'll give the chance to everyone, sir, from here.
Okay.
So once Gupta sir is over, next is Sunil sir. Are you, Sunil sir, can you take the question now?
I don't think his phone is working, Sudhir sir. I don't think his phone is working.
Okay, Thakkar sir.
Yeah, my just one request that you have put up the list of empaneled hospitals for some other scheme. For our scheme, put a list of empaneled doctors city-wise so that we can easily see. And if we know some doctor, we can request for him.
Sir, I'll request Kenko to do that, and we will see how they can accommodate that, sir. I will definitely request them on your behalf.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir, could you lower your hand now, sir?
Yeah.
Right, sir. So, Gujarat, sir. Gujarat, sir, your
sir, can you hear me now?
Sir, okay.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Sir, Sunil, sir, you're audible now. Please go ahead.
Yeah, good. I just wanted to share my recent experience. Because I have iOS, I could not use the app. So I called up the customer care and told them that I am planning to go for a consultation, what process I need to follow. They said, you go ahead. They didn't ask about which doctor, which hospital. They said, you go ahead and send the prescription and the consultation receipt, and we will do a reimbursement. So I also got a mail to this effect. Post my consultation, I shared the prescription and the receipt. I didn't get a response. So after some time, I called up the customer care again, saying that certain medicines have also been prescribed. What do I do? They said, you go ahead and order it and send us the receipt, and we will do the reimbursement. Again, I did that process. I still don't have a response. So could you
I'll escalate this process. Yeah.
Is there any acknowledgement, ticket number, anything which tells us what is happening to us?
Give me days time, sir. I'll personally look into it. Actually, I'm aware about this case, and I'll definitely give you an update about this.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Gujarat, sir.
Yeah, hi, good afternoon.
Sunil, sir, can you lower your hand over there?
I wanted to ask you that I, of course, have not been able to install an app because I use iOS. Now, the other way I assume would be to use the website. Am I correct?
No, you have to call through the two numbers which I shared on the sheet. One is toll-free number, and one is non-working hours number. So you just have to call on that number, and our team will help you out.
I see. So the website is not the appropriate place.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. Number two, now you have some hospitals which are impaneled.
Okay.
If I have to go, let's say I personally use Kokila-Ben Hospital, which I'm sure must be impaneled. Okay, because I live in the Juhu area.
Okay.
Now, let's say I choose Kokila-Ben Hospital to go to. It's one of your impaneled hospitals. Now, within that hospital, I have to again choose the doctor.
Hello, Adesh.
Yeah, so rightly, sir, this same thing just Burjis sir had told. This hospital list and doctor list is mutually exclusive. So it does not matter whether that doctor is present in that hospital which are impaneled with us or not, right? So that hospital list is entirely for IPD cases, IPD plans that we sell as a GMC policy or to the retail customer. For doctor consultation, we have a different list. So these doctors might be present in that hospital, might not be present in that hospital. There might be possible scenarios where maybe 4 doctors from that hospital are present in our network. The rest of the doctors are not present in our network. So there will be multiple scenarios.
There is a difference in the way Kokila-Ben functions as compared to other hospitals. If you are aware, which I'm sure you are, Kokila-Ben does not have a system of visiting doctors. All doctors in Kokila-Ben work only in Kokila-Ben.
Correct.
So there is no question of Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and then Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and all that. They are there every day of the week from 9 to 5 or whatever are the timing. So if I want to go to Kokila-Ben, and let's assume for the sake of an example, I want to visit an orthopedist. Now, orthopedist is somebody whom I'm not going to regularly. And as I think somebody had pointed out, there could be 4 of, how do I know which are the orthopedists in Kokila-Ben?
So let me take this up, Adesh. I'll answer this question. Gujral sir, what happens is there are 2 types of medical policies that normally come from insurance companies. One is an IPD, one is an OPD. Now in OPD, you can only visit the doctor on a consultation basis and not for hospitalization and all those things. So here we have opted only for an OPD plan and not an IPD plan from Kenko. So there is no question of any empanelment of hospital, which will be useful to SSS, since we have only empaneled ourselves for the OPD plan and not the IPD plan. So in case you want to approach the hospital, that's absolutely fine. But you need to be very specific who's the doctor that you are. If you want to go to any doctor as per their choice, then either you select from the list of Kenko, whether this doctor is possible and he's going to Kokila-Ben hospital. Or then you ask them that these are the list of doctors and out of which I want to go approach, you book an appointment.
No, I am not talking about IPD at all. I'm talking only about OPD because we are talking about Kenko. My point is that there are 6 orthopedists in Kokila-Ben. Now, I do not know that which orthopedist am I going to go to because I don't go to an orthopedist regularly. So if I want to know that out of the names that you have in your impaneled doctors, which doctor is an orthopedist in Kokila-Ben, how do I know?
So there are only 2 ways of knowing that. One is that either you ask them that which are the doctors on the list and you check with Kenko if that one is registered with them. Or the second option is you check the list which is there with Kenko and you cross-verify with Kokila-Ben whether they are there or not. So that is the only way you can do it.
Is it possible that the list that Kenko has also lists the specialization of the doctor next to his name?
Yes, this will be a good point.
Adesh, you need to, or Akhil, you need to answer this.
Yes. I completely understood. In the beginning, I told that right now, bear with us for next 2 to 3 weeks. Right now, if you want, let's say, orthopedic in Kokila-Ben, you can come on the app, just write down this specialization, this hospital name. We will find the doctor in that particular hospital or nearby you and send you the details of the doctor. You can go and visit. But going forward in next 3 weeks, maybe by April 1st week or 2nd week, worst case, where you can come, search for specialization in your area, you will be able to find a list of doctors. Like if you are using Practo by any chance, if any one of you have used it, how Practo uses it, just write the area, select your pin code, write the specialization, you will get all the list of doctors nearby you with name, their year of experience, their photo, reviews, rating, price, everything you will be able to see on the app. But this will take around 3 weeks. We are launching it, we are working on it. But right now, if you want to raise a request, just come on the app, write the hospital name. If you know the doctor name, write it down. Otherwise, we will find out on your behalf. Write down the area, specialization, and we will do rest of this stuff. On our
Okay, so-
operation, we will handle it.
Okay, now the question is that what is the idea of having impaneled hospitals then? If I'm finally going to be looking only at the list of doctors, then why do you have hospitals impaneled?
That is for IPD cases. We have
Gerald sir, we are repeating the same question 6 times. I don't think it's the right thing to do, because this is the same answer we have given, I think, the 6th time, the same thing. That these are two separate things, OPD and IPD. Again and again, everyone is asking the same question.
No, but the point is that in our on the app, you will have impaneled hospitals too, which are of no relevance to us. Am I correct?
Exactly, sir. That is what I've been repeating continuously again and again. We are only
All
opted
right.
for OPD. This app is for all, whether it is OPD or IPD. So they have to have everything on the app. That doesn't mean that it is useful to us or not useful to us. That is all that I'm just trying to explain to everybody.
Okay, all right.
So next question is from Chalapati Somsing.
Sir, good afternoon. Quick question. I'm in fact working with a clinic in Yashwant Place. We provide best of the OPD services, 9 to 5 OPD services to expats and others. And it is a purely OPD clinic. We have best of the general practitioners who navigate them very responsibly to the specialists and not push them to the specialists or anything like that. Is there a way I can be of help to the veteran community and the SSS members by empaneling us as a clinic? Because all the doctors or the general physicians or a few specialists that are roles will be providing responsible healthcare to the members of SSS. We are a very small unit, but we do it very responsibly with oversight from our founders who sit in US. Every medical clinical report or notes is reviewed by them. With minimal tests, but maximum care. Thank you.
Very good.
For the members, Chalapati is working with they are working a small organization, but they are working with all the diplomats in Delhi. So this is if we can empanel them, then it will help a lot of members in Delhi.
This sir, you can put up the request. We will try to put it up to Kenko and we'll try to empanel. Okay?
Yeah. So see, most of the questions I see is related to doctors, and if we can get a proper matrix from Kenko, that what information are you looking for, so that we can get the relevant information from the members, and then you can put it on the app for them.
Akhil, can you make a form and give it to me today itself? I will send it to Mr. Sudhir Dua, and then we will take it up that way. Yeah, we will.
Sure.
We will share it with all the members, and we'll take up their request, and we will try our level best to empanel most of the doctors from that, as far as they are willing to get empaneled. Yeah, okay, you can go for it.
Thank you. If somebody can contact me or help me to know whom I should contact in Kenko, because I tried sending out a mail to them, but I didn't receive any response. So I'm using this platform. I'm sorry, it's not my personal. Thank you.
So what I'll do, sir, I'll share 2 numbers in this message. So you all can just save this number, and just in case if. Hello.
Yeah.
Akhil, this is the customer service number you're sharing, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So I will mail it to Sudhir sir, and he can put up a mail to all the members.
Sure.
And we will also put it on the WhatsApp group, so everybody who doesn't go through their mails can see it on the WhatsApp group.
I can only put on the WhatsApp and Telegram group. I don't have any access to the overall mailer. So you have to take care. I'll put it over there. Okay. Akhil, is it possible for you to generate for us a group where you can address to the whole group, but any one of the members cannot address to the whole group?
Sir, actually, I need to check for it. I'll get back to you with a response. I have.
Okay.
Yeah.
See, every member should be able to address his query to you. But he should not address the query to the whole group. That is not correct, because then there will be chaos.
Sir, we already have two numbers. One is for non-office hours and one is for office hours.
Yeah.
Just in case if you have any query, you can call on these numbers.
Yeah, could you have an email ID also over there? So
Yes,
that
yes,
members
yes.
can give their request in the email form.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you can pass that on through Burgess.
Sure.
I'll share it with everyone.
Sure.
Okay, I'll go to the next question. It's from iPhone. So it is from, your name is only iPhone.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I couldn't get my name put on that. My query, same thing. The point earlier that.
So then you can, then you can lower your hand, sir.
No, I'm asking a question that my bills are still pending. Same thing that I had talked to customer care. They told me that you go to the doctor, consult, buy the medicines, but as there is no response from them. I sent everything.
Okay, so may I know the name whom you are in contact with?
I think Sheikh.
Or you can give us your name, sir. Give us your name, sir.
Yeah,
Actually,
Sheikh.
you can check through his name.
Yes, sure.
Gopala N.
Sir, give us your name. What is your name?
I'm Colonel Shauche.
Okay.
SHOUCHE.
ठीक है sir. I'll look into it,
you.
sir. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Colonel Soche. Sir, could you lower your hand, sir? Sir, next is Ujjwal Das Gupta. Sir, you have already asked. Do you have another question?
Please, yes, please. I have got two very small and crisp questions. Number one, there's a doctor who's treating me. I go to him and I tell him, please get empaneled by Kenko. He's going to ask me, what is this Kenko and how do I get empaneled and what is in it for me? How do I gain? So if we can have some gen on that so that we can brief the doctor, this is what it involves.
Sir,
Kenko will contact the doctor personally, sir,
exactly.
and explain everything to them.
Sorry?
Because they cannot share this. Sir, you can just share the details of the doctor. As we said, we are going to make a list. In that list, you can share the name and number of the doctor. Somebody from Kenko will personally contact the doctor, explain all the nitty-gritties to them, explain the advantages and everything to them. Then the doctor will take a call, sir. It doesn't make sense in putting up right now in this group the whole detail. Because that will take out another 2 hours for the same.
No, absolutely fine. But the doctor prima facie will ask, कि यार मेरे लिए क्या है? So I tell him that give me your number, I'll share your number with Kenko and they'll get in touch with you and explain all
Yes,
this.
the rep will explain everything in detail to the doctor. It's not that they need to get empaneled before explaining. They will be explained everything. They can take a call whether they feel it is worth it or not, and then they can get it.
Okay, and my second question is, in case I have a valid prescription from a specialist who is not on the Kenko's empaneled list, can I buy medicines using that prescription?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So then, or even if the guy is not empaneled, all I'm losing out is on the consultation charges.
Consultation.
I can
Yes.
still buy the medicines. Is that right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Request to lower your hand, sir.
Yes, doing that.
The next question is from Neville Malau. Sir, could you come up with your question? Unmute yourself, sir. Neville, sir, please unmute.
Sir, good afternoon to everybody. This is Neville Malau. I just wanted to put across that the response from Kenko has been extremely good. And this pertains to the question which was just before mine. I had put up a request for medicines from a non-empaneled doctor day before yesterday night. And while this meeting is on, the medicines have been delivered. So I just wanted to thank Kenko for an extremely proactive response. People called up, people tied up, and the medicines have been delivered a while ago. So thank you very much. It works.
Thank you so much for your feedback, Neville, sir. At least there is one positive feedback that has come out for the negative.
No, I think it will just take time for things to settle down, but I think it is working, and I actually put it up as a test case, and I think it worked very well. Thank you for that.
Colonel Bajaj, I'll come to you, sir.
Welcome, sir.
Before that, sir, there is a question of Sanjoy. Sanjoy, please. Could you lower your hand, please?
Sir, in continuation with what the medicine thing was, can I also ask, in case the various investigations are put on, can I submit the bills for those?
Investigation as in, sir? Can you?
Like say, I've been to a doctor. Doctor has asked me to undergo certain investigations, with MRI, etc., ultrasound, and flow meter check. Now they all cost something.
For
And-
diagnostics, you're
yeah,
asking,
for
right?
diagnostics, and post that he gives me the medicines. So
Okay.
medicines, I understand, can that 75% discount will be there. But
Yeah.
for the investigations, would it be there?
Yes,
sir, the
yes, yes,
diagnostic
absolutely.
tests are covered.
Okay, thank you.
But you have to book from the app.
Yes.
That means after the doctor prescribes it, then also I'll have to again book from the app.
Correct, correct.
Correct, sir.
That's likely to take a lot of time, sir.
No, sir. It hardly take 5 minutes. That's it.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Rui, your question. Rui, please
So,
come up.
yeah, sorry.
Yeah,
I
come
was just trying to book a medicine and I've just tried as I had to buy some medicines. So one of the medicines was not on the panel. It is there on 1 mg, but it is not available. It was not showing us in the drop down. So what is the process for that? Do I need to call the customer care, or I
No.
tried once more to raise another request and just put down the name and a quantity and put it? Is that the way, or is there some other way to do it?
So if it's not available in the drop down, you just have to type in the medicine name and the quantity. We
So
will
in
take
that,
care of it.
so is it in that add your thing, or I need to place a separate request and then put
No,
a
in
name?
in the same order. Just
Yeah.
if suppose there are 10 medicines on the prescription,
Yes.
9 you are able to find in the drop down, 1 you are not. Just type one name of that medicine. 9 you can select automatically. Write
Okay.
name of one medicine which is not available and place the order at one go. We will process the
Understood.
request.
Understood. Okay. Thank you so much.
Shankar, your question.
Yes. Sir. So I think there was a question regarding diagnostics just a while back. So relating to that, if the lab that is being prescribed by the doctor is not present currently in your network, then what happens? Is it similar to the way the doctors are empaneled or labs too?
So regarding labs, I don't see
Sir,
why.
it is similar, sir. Actually, the lab has to be of the. Okay, let me take this up because we had discussed this last time also. Sir, it is all the process will be the same for whether it is for the lab, whether it is for the doctor, or whether it is for the diagnostics test. If everything has to be from the app, sir, it will not be possible to, and there are maximum labs which are available on the panel. And as I requested you, once you call up, you cannot find it from the list. If you call up the customer service will give you labs which are within 1 or 2 kilometers radius from your house, so that you don't need to travel a lot and go to, places which are far off. So that should sort out your problem.
Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you.
Next question, sir. Good bole, sir. Sir, you are
on
unmute, sir. Good bole, sir, please unmute. Sir, good bole, sir, you please unmute.
Sir, can you do it for him?
Unmute, unmute.
Yeah,
Hello.
Anjali,
Can you hear me now?
thank you. Anjali, thank
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, my question is similar, that if I want to get my annual checkup done through a hospital which is close by, can it be reimbursed
Reimbursement, discounted.
or discounted?
For routine checkup process, right?
An annual checkup, yes, which I do normally once in a year. Instead of going to ECHS, I wish to do it in a hospital which is close by. Say Jupiter Hospital is close by. So I wish to get it there, get it done there. Will that be possible?
No, sir.
To be done at discounted rates?
No, sir. So before placing any medicine order or diagnostic test, doctor prescription is a must. So if you have doctor prescription for free health checkup, then like annual health checkup, then you can go. Plus, you have to raise the request through the app. So our
Okay.
partner either will come and collect, or you have to visit to our partner center lab and get the test done for availing the benefits. So.
Okay, okay.
Who's the doctor?
Thank you.
So, Anjali, could you lower the hand, please? And Anjali, please could you lower the hand? Godbole sir, could you request your daughter to lower the hand? Any other question now? I don't see any hands over here.
Vijay sir is wanting
Vijay
to ask
sir,
a
please.
question.
Can I ask one
Vijay sir and Colonel Bajaj sir. Okay. Session sir, please. So you have to unmute yourself first.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir.
I on the 2nd of this month I had high fever. 3rd I went to CTC. They tested for COVID. I was negative. Then they said after 4 days you test, but I could not go because I was weak. I tested from Thyrocare. Can I get this investigation expenses?
So the policy has
Ordered by
started after that, sir.
Pune?
Sir, policy has
Pardon?
started after 15th. So all
This month. I went on this month, March 2nd.
So there
So
was
that is what
15
I'm saying.
days, sir, there was 15 days waiting list. So waiting time.
Ah.
So obviously it cannot be entertained, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Colonel Bajaj sir.
My doubt is normally most of us have got problems which are long standing, like hypertension, diabetes, and all at our age. Now, when like I have had a prescription for hypertension about 5 or 6 years ago, and I'm taking the same medicines. So what do I do? Do I have to go to the specialist every 2-3 months, get a prescription and this thing, or just one prescription which is old will go for, and how many days do I claim the medicine for? 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year? It is the same medicine. I've been on the same medicines for last 5-6 years.
So is there any mention for the time frame, sir, that you can, take this medicines for, for the longer duration?
Normally, the specialist will say once he checks you up and gives you the directions, he normally prescribes the medicine and say for 3 months. Now, after 3 months, when I claim medicines for 3 months and I get the whatever I have to pay 250 and 750 Keno place. So after 3 months, do I have to go and get a prescription again?
Yes, yes, yes. Sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Barjay sir, can I give you an alternative? Akhil, just correct me if I'm wrong.
Yes, sir.
You can also tell the doctor to just say, mention clearly on the prescription that if you are going to take it for years together, just tell him to mention 1 year. So you don't need to keep going again and again.
That would work too.
Doing
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
Whatever. Time frame has to be there on the
Will
prescription.
Kenko accept 12 months?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is. This has already been discussed in the last couple of webinars.
Thank you. Thank you.
The next question is Subbarao Nagarajan. Please come up, sir.
Yeah, good evening, everybody. I'm Commander Subbarao. I just have a quick question. That means thanks for a wonderful presentation by Kenko. One thing that I want to clearly understand is basically the problem area is we do not have the list of doctors. I know this discussion has come up earlier. When earliest we will, because I'm in a city for I've just come to Chennai for a permanent residence, and I do not know where to go, which doctor to select, for the purpose of consultation. So how do you, every time I cannot keep bringing up the customer care, and therefore, for the benefit of all the members here, would you be able to give us the confidence that by, say, at least by mid-April, we will come to know the list of doctors, the network to doctors? I don't want to keep running around to a doctor who is not networked. It is not a good thing to do at my age. Okay?
Yeah, absolutely.
And it's not going to be so easy. The rest of the things I think will fall in place. There should be no problem. And as one of the members suggested, that every time trying to go to the app and, putting the investigation requirements and then, paying upfront and, that's going to be a little bit of a troublesome thing. Can you find an easier solution to this problem? I know I'm asking for too much, but then it should be possible with your backend support. It should be possible, I think. And of course, now you will have to tell us by what date can we, like, for instance, I have to go for an OPD consultation. I'm waiting for this Kenko plan to kick off.
Okay.
Thank you.
So, yeah. So what I'll do, sir, I'll, share a format with Burji, sir, in which you can all, give your inputs about the doctors that you want to impaneled on a network. So this is the first thing, and this is I think the major issue that has come up in this meeting. So majority of the doctor that, as you all are suggesting, that are not on our network.
I think probably I request you to understand my point that I really do not know any particular doctor here in Chennai. So no, I want to go to a doctor if I know that he is an orthopedist or whatever. That's what I'm trying to say. Now, I don't want to go to a doctor A and then figure out that he is not networked. I don't have time or energy to go around getting him empaneled.
Completely understood. Okay, let me take this question. I completely understood. Just let me correct me if I am wrong. So the timeline that I can say is latest by 15th of April or before that, where if you log in on the app, so our app takes your current location, right? It will take your location with your permission, if you give the permission.
Yes, sir.
So then you have to select the specialty of the doctor. And once you select the specialty, you will get to find the nearby doctor, maybe 5 or 10 suggestions, which are empaneled with us with the date and appointment available, time of appointment available. You just have to go there and click and book.
So that recommendation by Kenko in the app for the list of doctors based on the specialization requirement will be with reference to the address given, correct?
Correct.
Or the PIN code given?
PIN code given, yes.
Yes. So that would be great. If by mid-April, if it's made available, then it will be very advantageous to the members, I guess.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for the great explanation.
So I don't find any other hand now. Anyone has any question? Please come up. No questions. Okay, thanks, Akhil. And
I have a question. I have a question, if you can hear me.
Yeah, Rajan, please come up.
The effective date of my subscription is 3rd of March. And I had downloaded the app. I placed an order around 12th or 13th. But nothing much has happened except for lip service. Unfortunately, there is a gentleman called Saklane who has got in touch with me once or twice. But is it going to kick off from the month of April, or is it going to kick off immediately?
From 15th March, I thought.
It's already kicked off. People are already getting it. Rajan, you applied too early. We had 15 days of waiting period. Oh, you're on mute, Rajan.
I have already sent in my prescription, and I also requested for the medicines. It's almost a week, but nothing has happened except for lip service that we will address the problem. And there's a gentleman called Saklane who's managing my order. So I just wanted to ask you if it is likely to happen by the end of this month, because I subscribe to medicines every month. And if they don't come, I'll have to look for alternatives.
Hello.
Rajan sir, Sudhir sir just mentioned to you that your plan had not started when you have subscribed for it. So, Akhil, will his request be valid, or does he need to raise a new request?
New request, a new request.
Yeah. So, Rajan sir, you need to raise up the request again, because now your plan has just got activated. So you need to put up a new request and then it will be accepted.
Yeah, but the similar thing could have been told to me by the gentleman who was managing my medicine. He has said, sir, I've got your order at this medicine, that medicine. He talked about it. we wasted good time. He could have just simply said, raise a new, this thing, you know. All right. Okay.
I'll
I'll
check,
do the
sir.
needful. Yeah, I'll do the needful. Thank you.
Thank you, Rajan sir. Anyone else?
Thanks a
House is
lot.
open for any questions. Okay. So this
Sudhir
is,
sir, now we should allow people to celebrate Holi. I think we have answered enough questions.
yeah. So, Burgess and reps of Kenco, thank you very much.
Our pleasure,
we really
sir.
look forward to, and I look forward to getting that matrix, how you want the data, so that we'll get the data as soon as possible and give it to you. And
sir.
yeah, we look forward to, this is only the beginning. We also, there are other members also who are keen. So I will request you tell us, when can you have the next batch? So we will float the next batch as per our logistics requirement, because we will have to see our admin requirements also.
So I'll discuss that and let you know.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Yeah,
we'll do that. And thank you very much for addressing us and taking all the pains for last 1.5 hours now. So kind of you to spare your time. Thank you very much.
It's our pleasure, sir. Thank you
Thanks
so
to
much.
all the members for listening very carefully. And I would request the members, please address your queries to Kenco helpline 1:1 and not to all the members, because all the members, even if the email IDs are there, please do not. It will only create chaos. It will not help you. And then finally, there'll be unpleasantness. Please avoid all that. Kenco will help. And if there is any issue, they are not helping, we have Burgess, we will ask him, but please don't address any mail to him on his KM Dastur ID.
Sir, the best suggestion
KM Dastur has nothing to do with it.
Best suggestion is just send all the emails to Sudhir sir, and Sudhir sir will direct them to me, or you can call me on my mobile number, one of the two. If in case there is a serious problem, otherwise Kenco is well equipped to handle all your queries. There shouldn't be any problem. Only thing you
Can you again repeat what are the details of the doctors you require for empanelment?
Sir, we will be sharing the list.
I'll share a format.
Share a matrix of his, that, sir. I'll share the matrix.
Okay.
So then you can get your doctors to be, fill in the details.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much, everyone.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Good day.
Thank you.
Happy Holi, sir.
Happy Holi and Jai Hind to everyone.
Happy Holi to all.
Sudhir, happy Holi.
Sir, before I forget and before I leave, Sudhir sir,
yeah,
if anyone has any requirement for any motor insurance or any other insurance policies for their personal, they can always contact me or contact KM Dastur. We will be most happy to help you all. For any travel insurance policies, motor insurance policies, fire policies, anything and everything to do with insurance. So anybody wants, they can take my number from Sudhir sir and you can contact me, or you can send me an email directly on the KM Dastur email ID.
So, Burgess, just a final quick question.
Go ahead.
We have the members in SSS, we have nothing to do with your website, right? Only the app. We can only go through your app, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is something which is very important. I think you should make it known to everybody in a mail or something like that.
Sir, it's not only website, the only app, and presently app is only the Androids. The iOS app will be after another 2 weeks or 3 weeks. They'll let us know when they are ready for that.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, everyone.